guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we're bringing in a new subscription to the channel. It's called Menlo Club for men, so definitely stay tuned and let's get into it. Okay guys, so welcome back. So like I said, in today's video we're bringing a brand new subscription. It's called Menlo Club. Now what Menlo Club is, it's a men's monthly clothing subscription. Now the cool thing about this subscription is that not only do you get clothing, but it also includes footwear once a year. Usually they do have like outfits that they do give out with footwear. I know, I think last month my husband got a couple of flip-flops. Forgot what they call them slides. I call them flip-flops, but they did get flip-flops with an outfit, so that was pretty cool. So this is actually his time of the year where he would actually get footwear. So we're unboxing Menlo Club. They do give outfits every month. It is, and I'll put all the information from Menlo Club in the description box below. If you have that significant other that is, if you're like me, you know, I love subscription box. The reason why my husband got this subscription box was because he wanted to just change his outfit, just to, you know, stop wearing just regular plain clothing. He wanted to get, like, you know, just up his clothing game there. So this has worked out for him. This has been a year. So this is his year. This is the time of the year where he would get his footwear. This is the first time I'm bringing it onto the channel. So again, I don't know if there's any deals or anything like that. That's why I'm putting the link to Menlo Club in the description so you guys can check it out. It's really big company, and it's more, I guess, it's not like for younger guys. It's more so for like maybe that professional guy who just wants regular clothes, not like out there type of clothing. And you can check out their website to see if you would like that. But this is what we're unboxing today. So like I said, this is the one time of the year where he gets his footwear. So this is what he's getting. We don't know what it is yet, but it's from New Republic, and that's the Menlo brand. The brand, last year I know when he got his footwear, my son actually liked it, and my son is 14. So if he liked it, that means it's teenager approved. So this is what the box looks like. It looks like a box of sneakers. And you can see probably what they look like there. So I'm gonna show you guys what he got this year. And it looks like that. So we don't know what's inside yet. We'll find out in a second. Okay, so first thing we're pulling out is a pair of socks. So this is just black classic socks from New Republic. They are, let's see, they are 80% cotton and 17% polyester and 3%, what is that? Elastane. I'm not too sure what that is, but that's what that looks like. Just a pair of black socks, which is cool. And then, let's see. So he has gray sneakers. So that is cool. Last year, he actually got, I believe it's this pair. I'm not too sure if it's exactly the same, but he did get this last year in black. So there you go. You get a pair of sneakers. So like I said, it's for that guy in your life who likes classic, nice clothing, not like super out there with crazy color sneakers, just regular pair of clothes. That's all. This is just a regular men's clothing line. So that's what he got. And what I'll try to do is every time he gets like a box of clothing, just so you guys can take a look and see if it's for you, I'll try to unbox those here. But just wanted to share what he got this month, since this was his time for footwear. And again, I don't know offhand. I believe Menlo is $60 a month. Like I said, I'll have all the information in the description box below where you guys can take a further look at it. They do give you a good amount of clothing for that price. So it's not like, oh, you know, that's a lot. It's actually a good variety of clothing on their website. So you guys definitely need to check it out. And with that being said, make sure you guys like and subscribe if you love subscriptions just like I do. So you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on the next video. Have a good day, guys.